summary of our sequencing. So the first, it's just building on the right foundation. It was build once, scale, use multiple times. It was also the talent piece. If we needed to go get competitive and level up in terms of digital talent fast, we weren't going to be able to do that across a million different platforms. We needed to start working together. When we made those kind of fundamental decisions, and then it was, okay, wire everything up, make sure you know exactly what's going on, because that's going to drive your future. And that was the analytics. We accelerated kind of at the same time the digital operating model, and specifically on the marketing side, because I think IT had already done a lot of legwork to get aligned there. And the last step we're working through is the IT marketing digital operating model alignment. But we quickly moved a lot of the digital marketing competency inside. We were outsourcing a lot. We couldn't see our own digital experiences, our own analytics. We weren't managing it close enough. So we pulled it really close to home. We started to pilot. What do we not know that we need to learn a lot more about? You might think on paper, if I do this, it's going to drive this consumer behavior, but it almost never acts how you think it's going to work in paper. So we started in a lower risk way. What are the things we need to start trying and exploring to inform how are we going to scale and grow it? So we're kind of right now moving into this community activation phase, which relates to, all right, we know where we're headed. We know how the consumer in a small sense is going to react. Now we need to grow these communities and see how they start to scale. And as we do that, we can learn a lot more about the consumer at scale. We can couple it with some advanced capabilities like CDP, which I think Michael referenced, and our consumer insights capabilities. And only then, when you have broad community activation, the right technology and data in place, can you start to unlock your advanced strategies related to cross-sell and upsell. So that's kind of how we sequenced this transformation journey.